Nung isipan mong puro libro mo ingakit king neto nga library, panahuna bang pasyalan niyang Angeles City Library and Information Center. Higit king neto nga traditional library, magsilbiya namang iting learning, digital at cultural hub para kareng Angelenyo. King first floor, akit siyang library proper na ating collection da rin libro at reference materials, lounge area, baggage counter at log-in, log-out station. Atin libreng Wifi at meto nga oras sa free computer use para kareng bisita. Atin nga namang kawaning children's library, a regular a pupuntalan da rin daycare students at ring mestra. King second floor naman, akita niya ring miyayaliwang cultural at educational facilities, kalupan ng Culture and Arts Council of Angeles City Gallery, Renato Tayag Gallery at Rafael Lazatin Gallery. Atin nga naman iting DICT Tech for Ed Center, amanang pang libreng internet access, digital skills training, e-learning at online government services. Ato Panyaketi, Angeles City Teen Information Center, Technical Services Unit at Sinupan Sing-Sing Center for Kapampangan Cultural Heritage, ama ng pang community lectures, workshop at kulitan klase. Samantala, king third floor naman ating theater hall at conference area, agagamitan para kareng seminar, training at aliwa pang public activities. Makabuklat siyang Angeles City Library at Information Center, manibat Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 8 ng ngabak hanggang alas 7 ng bengi. At makabuklat, kareng nino man na bisang mamasa, mabiyasa, at a-discover ing kasalesayan ating kultura na ning syudad. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.